Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to tackle an issue that many of you have been facing, high memory and RAM usage in Windows 10 and 11. Don't worry, so we are going to fix this in just 5 minutes. So if you are seeing that the redid your memory is full message or your system is running sluggish, stay tuned because we have got some quick easy solutions for you. Let's start by checking what's actually using all that memory. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Exit to open the Task Manager. If you are using Windows 10, you can also right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager from the menu. Once the Task Manager opens, head to the Process tab. This will show you all the programs and processes that are running on your system. Now look at the memory column. You will want to identify which programs are consuming the most RAM. If you see an application that's taking up more RAM than it should be, that's your culprit. Right-click it and select End Task to close it temporarily, but don't worry, we will dive into permanent fixes in just a moment. Now that we have taken a look at the Task Manager, let's move on to disabling unnecessary startup programs. These are apps that automatically run when you start your computer and can eat your RAM right from the get-go. To disable startup programs, go back to the Task Manager and click on the Startup tab. You will see a list of programs that run at startup. Some of these you probably don't need, like Spotify, Skype, or other software you rarely use. To disable a program, right-click on it and select Disable. This will stop it from running the next time you boot up your computer. It's a simple step that can help free up your RAM and improve startup time. Another common reason for high RAM usage is malware or unwanted programs running in the background. To check for this, you will need to run a quick system scan. If you don't have an antivirus installed, don't worry. Windows Defender is built right into Windows 10 and 11. To access it, go to your Start menu, type Windows Security, and click on it. Then select Virus and Threat Protection and click on Quick Scan to start the process. Let Windows Defender check for any malicious software that might be using up your system's resources. If any threats are found, follow the prompts to remove them. Now let's dive into one of the advanced settings, virtual memory. Virtual memory is a space on your hard drive that your system uses as overflow when your RAM is full. Sometimes if it's set incorrectly, it can cause performance issues. To adjust your virtual memory settings, first right-click the Start button and select System. Then click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings under the Performance section. Next, select the Advanced tab again and under Virtual Memory, click Change. Here, uncheck Automatically Change Paging File Size for all drivers. Select your system drive, usually C, choose Custom Size, and set the initial size and maximum size to the recommended values shown at the bottom. Then select Set and OK. Restart your computer, and this adjustment should help optimize your RAM usage. Now let's talk about disabling a feature called SuperFetch, also known as SysMain. SuperFetch is a service in Windows that preloads commonly used applications into your RAM to speed up access. However, sometimes it can use a lot of RAM, especially if you're running low on memory already. To disable SuperFetch, press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down until you find SysMain, right-click on it, and select Stop. If you want to make this change permanent, right-click again, select Properties, and change the startup type to Disabled. Click OK and restart your computer. Another quick way to optimize memory usage is by adjusting your system for best performance. This removes some of the fancy graphical effects that can consume a lot of resources. To do this, right-click the Start button and select System. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings under the Performance section. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off unnecessary animations and graphical effects. Freeing up memory for other tasks, you can always turn individual features back on if you prefer a bit more visual flair. Sometimes high memory usage can be due to outdated system files or bugs in your current version of Windows. To make sure everything is up to date, press Windows I to open Settings, then click on Update and Security. Select Windows Update and click Check for Updates. If any updates are available, make sure to uninstall them. A simple update can sometimes fix memory-related issues and improve your overall system performance. Finally, if you have followed all these steps and you're still experiencing high memory usage, it might be time to consider upgrading your RAM. If your system is running low on physical memory and your workload requires more, adding more memory can make a huge difference. Before purchasing additional RAM, make sure to check your system's maximum supported memory and the type of RAM you need. You can find this information in your computer's manual or on the manufacturer's website. If you're not sure how to install new RAM, there are plenty of tutorials online, or you can have a professional help with the upgrade. And there you have it, 8 simple steps to fix high memory and RAM usage on your Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it improved your computer's performance. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want more helpful tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.